So apparently e-bikes are becoming more and more popular. I've been seeing quite a few of them on the trail, and I have been known to ride a bike or two. So because I'm a famous YouTuber, this new company Espin decided that they are going to send me one of their new Nesta model e-bikes. Who could that be?
Dad, there's a package out here.
Oh, cool. Do you think you can help me get this inside?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Surprise!
Ready?
Okay.
Push. Shut the door. This.
Ooh.
Done. Okay. Excuse me? Beautiful. I think it's time to go take this puppy for a spin. An e-spin. Okay, so granted this may be the silliest video I've ever made, but I mean, we can still watch it, right? It wouldn't be right if we didn't go out and, you know, ride around the villages, so let's do that. I'm gonna play this by ear here because I have not done this before. We are out in St. John's. They're still getting a bunch of stuff done. I'm gonna bungee the old drone up here and see if we can't get some different kind of videos out here and over in the Richmond area. It's been pretty interesting so far. A lot of golf carts. Obviously I haven't been over the Water Lily Bridge ever, so this is the first time, and I took the e-bike over it. It's pretty nice. Also, I'll never talk to the camera in front of people, so that's a bit awkward, but whatever. Okay, that was a lot of fun. That bike is fun, and it's completely easy to get in and out and break down and put together. It took me 15 minutes to assemble it with my brother, and it was a whole lot of fun. So if you want one, pick it up in the link below and check out their website. You know, thanks for watching.